Imagine stepping into a barbershop where, instead of a familiar face, a sleek machine greets you at the door. The air hums with the quiet buzz of technology, and the space feels more like a sci-fi movie set than your neighborhood salon. Instantly, advanced facial recognition scans your features, remembering your last visit, your favorite style, and even the way your hair grows, almost as if the system knows you better than you know yourself. In 2026, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the grooming industry, seamlessly blending cutting-edge technology with the timeless traditions of barbering. Digital screens showcase endless hairstyle options, while smart tools analyze your hair's texture and health in real time. But don't worry, this isn't about replacing skilled barbers. Instead, it's about supercharging their abilities, giving them data-driven insights and precision that were once unimaginable, all while keeping the human touch at the heart of the experience. In this chapter, we'll break down how these futuristic AI barbershops actually work, what sets them apart from the classic barbershop, and whether the rise of smart machines means human barbers should be worried about their jobs. Ultimately, it's a story of partnership, where the creativity and artistry of human barbers join forces with the intelligence and accuracy of machines, working together to deliver the perfect cut every time. So are you ready to discover how the future of haircuts is being shaped right now? Let's dive in and explore this bold new world of AI-powered grooming. So, how does AI become your personal hair expert? Imagine walking into a salon where technology meets style, and artificial intelligence is ready to transform your hair experience. Step into an AI barbershop, and a futuristic scanner maps your head, face, and hair in stunning detail. Every strand, every curve, and every unique feature is captured with incredible accuracy, creating a digital profile that's as individual as you are. The system analyzes your features, hair type, and scalp health, then compares them to millions of styles and trends. It considers your hair's texture, thickness, and even your lifestyle to find the best options for you. It recommends cuts that suit your face and even suggests personalized hair care products. Whether you want a bold new look or just a subtle refresh, the AI tailors its advice to your needs and preferences. You can preview your new look in 3D before a single hair is snipped. This virtual try-on lets you experiment with colors, lengths, and styles, so you can be sure you'll love the result. The AI even predicts future trends, giving you a style edge. By analyzing global data and fashion movements, it keeps you ahead of the curve with recommendations that are always fresh and on trend. It's all about precision, personalization, and confidence in your next cut. With AI as your stylist, you get a look that's uniquely yours, crafted by technology, inspired by you. The real magic? Precision and personalization. Your chosen style becomes a digital blueprint, guiding the stylist for flawless results. The AI tracks your hair health over time, offering tailored advice and early warnings for issues. Product recommendations are based on your unique hair chemistry, no more guesswork. Each visit builds on the last, creating a truly personal grooming journey. The result? A haircut that's always on point and hair care that actually works. It's not just a service, it's a relationship powered by data and expertise. Worried AI will replace your barber? Don't be. AI is a tool, not a replacement. It handles the data, while barbers bring creativity and human touch. The technology frees stylists to focus on artistry and connection, not guesswork. The barbershop experience is still about conversation, community, and trust. AI enhances the craft, empowering barbers to deliver their best work. Customers get the best of both worlds, machine precision and human care. The future of grooming is collaboration, not competition. What's next for AI grooming? The future is set to be even more immersive, blending cutting-edge technology with personal style in ways we've only dreamed of. Imagine slipping on a pair of AR glasses and instantly seeing a new hairstyle on yourself, right in your own mirror. These glasses will let you experiment with endless looks, colors, and cuts before making a single change, giving you total confidence in your next style. AI will soon sync seamlessly with your health and lifestyle data, offering holistic wellness advice tailored to your unique needs. It won't just recommend haircuts. It'll suggest routines, products, and even nutrition tips to help you look and feel your best inside and out. High-tech barbershops are popping up everywhere, offering experiences that blend human expertise with digital precision. And soon, smart mirrors at home will become your personal grooming coach, providing daily tips, reminders, and style inspiration tailored just for you. The future promises a world where bad hair days are a thing of the past. With personalized, data-driven care, you'll enjoy hair that's always healthy, stylish, and uniquely yours. Human artistry and AI are joining forces, creating a new era of grooming where creativity meets precision. Stylists will use smart tools to craft looks that are both innovative and perfectly suited to you. So, are you ready to take your seat in the future of haircuts? The next chapter in grooming is just beginning, and it's more exciting than ever. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for more budget-friendly beauty essentials.